see, I brought you good news. I just had to just escape from the office and send it out there because I can't afford to keep this to myself. Remember 8 months ago, I made a video on METERTOKEN, how you can vend online. I showed you the step-by-step procedure, how you can get the application on your iPhone, that's from your app store, and how you can equally get it from your Play Store, that's for Android users. And I showed you step-by-step how you can process your token and get your token instantly from the app without any form of stress. And I think we had about 2,100 persons that came to that video, and I got a lot of feedback telling me thank you for showing them this app. Now, there's a good news for you. METERTOKEN currently is offering bonanza. This is the month of July, and the date is still fresh. This bonanza is going to last for the month of July, and possibly they might want to extend it. So if you're out there, you are not on solar, you're not dependent solely on generator, you are operating and doing your conventional work and you're powering your house with NEPA lights. Maybe you are with AEDC, maybe you are with Kaduna Electric, you're with Kano Electric, you're with Eco Disco, wherever you are, provided you are in Nigeria. This is a good news. You can't afford to miss this. I want you to rush to this app, get the app, sign up if you've not signed up. If you've not been using it, please reactivate your app. Imagine getting 5% off transaction from any disco in Nigeria. You can't afford to play with this. If you want to play with this opportunity, I will not let you. So please fall on this. Just fall on it. Take full charge of this. Now, for you to get this value, the process is simple. Now, unlike the video I made 8 months ago, in this new one, when you want to fund your wallet, please select Valuepay. You will see Valuepay. The transaction goes through Valuepay and you get 5% cash back. Is that not wonderful? This is a good one for Nigerians. Please, wherever you are, share this video. Your friend, your brother must see this. See, we're coming out good. Come in peace. So just enjoy the bonus. Tell me thank you if you want to. If you don't want to tell me thank you, keep it. But meanwhile, I know you'll be grateful.